Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Zions Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Zions Bank website or mobile app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tools section. Click on Create a new budget. Begin by entering your monthly income. Add all your sources of income, including salary and side jobs. Next, outline your fixed expenses. Include rent, utilities, and loan payments in this section. After fixed expenses, move on to variable expenses. This can include groceries, dining, and entertainment. Set realistic amounts for each variable expense category. Once you have entered all expenses, review the totals. Check to see if your expenses exceed your income. If they do, consider adjusting your variable expenses down. After balancing your budget, set savings goals. Enter the amount you want to save each month. Zions Bank may offer suggestions for emergency and retirement funds. Once you have set your budget, save it and review regularly. You can update your budget as your financial situation changes. Monitor your spending through regular check-ins. With Zions Bank, you can track expenses in real time. Use the app's notifications to stay on top of your budget. Commit to sticking to your budget for financial success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.